What up, guys? It's Ano, again with the True Sons versus Semper Invicta, and Bacon Donut attack against their number 3. He's number 25. 3-star, of course. So, yep, he does the lure. Didn't got all that minions and that archer. Luring from the other side, yeah, he does he's breaking in. Ability. One air defense is down. And another air defense is down. So yep, he's good to go. Oh, he gets the Inferno too, so okay. Drops hounds. 2 hounds from this side, loons, 1 hound from the top side, and loons again, rages, of course, freeze to that Inferno, another hound, some more loons. Pretty good job. Nicely done. Damn. Pretty nice. Good job, Bacon Donut. So let's move to the next one. It's Itachi. Drops Golem. Cold Blood. Yep. Heroes, of course. Jumps Bow. CC troops are going out, zapping the troops. Hound is in, loons. Another 2 hounds actually from the top side. More loons. Those hounds die pretty quick. But a lot of loons left, so yep, he will be good. And that last Archer Tower, and yep, cleaning up. Fast. Good job, Itachi. Nicely done. So let's move to defense this time. Enemy attack by Haggers. A really nice surgical hog. Had to put this wall breakers. It's a 3 golem surgical hog, which is 3 golem goho is pretty good these days. It's used to a lot of top war clans. Works really nice against anti 3-star bases. So yep, hogs are doing pretty good job. Pretty nice healing. And another heal. So pretty nice. Good job, hackers. Even though you're from the enemy clan, but anyway, good job. Nicely done. Yup. So let's move to the next one. And it's Ace. Pretty nice attack. A really nice Laloon attack. So drops a cold blood. It's a shutter. So drops a jump spell. Heroes, King actually. CC troops are coming out, zapping the troops. And yep, so he takes that air defense, takes the Expo 2. Yep, everything is going in, of course. Lava Hounds and Balloons, Raging, and yep, another Rage. And the cleanup, of course. Pretty nice attack, bro. Good job. So, nice attack, Ace. And yep, nicely done. Moving to the next attack with, I think is Boaz. Yep. So, Boaz with a shattered Laloon attack. Drops the golems and the wizards and the queen to clean up the buildings. And yep, nice job already. Drops the jump spell and the king. CC troops are coming out, zapping the troops. Rage. Oh no, this is the ability, sorry. King's ability. So what is really awesome, well, not for the game, but for this attack, Boaz was really patient with his attack, with his king, with his queen. So Queen was pretty dumb to go for. She destroyed 2 storages. Now she shooted the wall anyway, but he did it pretty clever. He got 2 air defense. So yep, patience is always good. Yep, Laloon is in. Lavas and Hounds. Lavas and Loons, sorry. Yep. Rage. Pretty nice looking. What is really special about this attack is that he got it on the last 2 seconds. He got the 3-star on the last 2 seconds, so that was pretty exciting for all the clan. Clan chat was sick. Yep. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon, guys, with the next video. Peace.